Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone. So today our group will be discussed on development of the institutional structure of financial accounting in Malaysia. So we have 4 bodies and 2 standards. The first body will be MASB, Malaysian Accounting Standard Board. The next body is the Bank Negara. The third body is the Security Commission. The fourth body will be the Bursa Malaysia, and the first standard will be the Financial Reporting Act, and also the last one is the Company Act 2016. Now let's continue with the first body, which is MASB. MASB is the Malaysian Accounting Standard Board. We are going to look at the development of the body. In 1978 until 1996, accounting standards in Malaysia were issued by the professional accounting bodies. In 1997, MASB was established under the Financial Reporting Act. In 2004, MASB initiated a broad strategic direction to align its accounting standard to those issued by the IASB to keep up with the development of worldwide. In 2005 until 2007, standards were revised to be virtually identical with IASB standard. In 2008, MASB issued a statement about their plans to bring Malaysia to full convergence with IFRS by 1st January 2012. What is the role of the MASB? It is established under the Financial Reporting Act in 1997, required to be prepared or lodged under any law administered by the Security Commission Malaysia, Bank Negara Malaysia, or the registered company. What is the main function of the MASB? It issue new accounting standard as approved accounting standard. It is to review, revise or adopt as approved accounting standard existing accounting standard. It is to amend, substitute, suspend, defer, withdraw or revoke any approved accounting standard in whole or in part, and also participate in and contribute to the development of the single set of accounting standard for international use. Who is the key person for the MASB? This is the Encik Muhammad Raslan Abdul Rahman, the Chairman, Malaysia Accounting Standard Board, the fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accounting in Australia, former Vice President and Council member of the Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountant, former Council member of the Malaysian Institute of Accounting MIA and has chaired its disciplinary and investigation committees, and also the Associate Member Malaysian Institute of Cooperative and Management Auditor, ICMA. What is the importance of the MASB? Is to develop high-quality accounting standard for financial reporting that benefit users, preparers, auditors and the public, to participate in and contribute to the IASB standard setting process in development of single set of high-quality, globally accepted financial reporting standard, to collaborate with other national standard setter for development of globally accepted financial reporting standard for international use, to promote and support research in the area of financial reporting, in particular for emerging and Islamic market. Next, we are going to look at the Financial Reporting Act 1997. It started on 1997 is the date of the publication in the Gazette. In 31st December 2004, amendments to the Financial Reporting Act in 1997. In the 1st January 2005, the amendment takes effect, and the 22nd June 2012, the second amendments. Next, we are going to look at the rules of this standard. MASB was established as an independent authority to develop and issue accounting standard for the preparation of financial statement. Accounting standard for entities other than private entities are the Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard and Financial Reporting Standard, while private entities are required to use the Malaysian Private Entity Reporting Standard MPERS. What is the objective of the Financial Reporting Act? It is to review the performance of MASB, be responsible for the financing arrangement and operation, approve MASB budget, and also to maintain proper accounts and prepare annual report of FRF. Who is the key person of the Financial Reporting Act? It is lodged under any law administration by the Security Commissions, the Central Bank, and the Registrar of Company in Malaysia, and also the MASB. What is the importance of Financial Reporting Act? It is required by law. Financial reporting and analysis give investor, creditors, and other businesses an idea of the financial integrity. Financial reporting software provide crucial information. Next, we are going to look at the Company Act 2016. In 1965, it is enforced by the local authority, then the Act has been amended several times. In 28 April 2016, Company Bills 2015 was passed by the Parliament. In 15 September 2016, the new Companies Act 2016 will be implemented once the new regulation, rules and guidelines are drawn up. Next, what is the role of this standard? All business registered in Malaysia are regulated by a set of rules stipulated in the Company Acts, legislation that empowers the central government to regulate the formation, financing, functioning and winding up of companies, offer regulations on the obligation and rights of the shareholder and of the directors, provide rules law for the audit procedure, the requirement for the tax compliance and many other. Next, who is the key person? Review process of the Companies Act actively began in December 2003 when SSM established the Corporate Law Reform Committee (CLRC). Why is it important? Empower the central governments to inspect the book of account of a company, to examine whether there is any mismanagement which may adversely affect any interest of the shareholder, creditors, employees and other. Regulate framework to facilitate starting a business and reduce cost of doing business. And provide rules of law. Now, we are going to look at the second bodies, which is Bank Negara Malaysia. A statutory body which started operation on 26 January 1959, Bank Negara Malaysia is also known as the Central Bank of Malaysia. It is governed by the Central Bank of Malaysia Act 2009. What is the role of this body? Your mission. Bank Negara Malaysia as the central bank is committed to excellence in promoting monetary and financial system stability and fostering a sound and progressive financial sector. It is to developing the financial system infrastructure. It is to oversee the nation payment system infrastructure and also the banker and advisor to the government and provide advice on macroeconomic policy and the management of public debt. Who is the key person of this body? This is the Chief Executive Officer Datuk Nur Syamsiah Muhammad Yunus. Most of the 36 departments in the bank are organized into 8 divisions, where each assistant governor being responsible for one. What is the importance of this body? It plays a critical role in the economy and enables the financial intermediation process, which facilitates the flow of funds between saver and borrowers. It ensures that financial resources are allocated efficiently towards promoting economic growth and development. Financial stability is the condition where the financial intermediation process functions smoothly and there is confidence in the operation of key financial institutions and market within the economy. Next, Securities Commission Malaysia was established on 1st March 1993 under Security Commission Act 1993, a self-funded statutory body to regulate and develop the Malaysian capital market, and has direct responsibility in supervising and monitoring the activities of market institutions. What is the role of this body? Their mission is to promote and maintain fair, efficient, secure, and transparent securities and derivative markets and facilitate the orderly development of an innovative, competitive capital market. It is developing the overall capital market and its market segment and responsible to advise the Finance Minister on all matters relating to the capital market and also responsible to register or recognize all auditors of public interest entities and to exercise oversight over any person who prepares a report in relation to financial information of public interest entities. Next, who is the key person? This is Datuk Sheikh Zaid Alba, Executive Chairman of Security Commission Malaysia, also chairs the Capital Market Development Fund and a member of the Board of Financial Reporting Foundation, and also a member of Debt Management Office, Ministry of Finance. Why is it important? Since the Security Commission are responsible to register or recognize all auditors, there is a board was established under Security Commission Act Malaysia 1993 named Audit Oversight Board, which is responsible to promote and develop an effective audit oversight framework and promote confidence in reliability of audited financial statement in Malaysia. So, the Security Commission plays an important role in accounting and auditing field because they involve in ensuring that only fit and proper auditors are required in auditing the financial statement. Next, we are going to look at the Bursa Malaysia. Bursa Malaysia is an exchange holding company that consists of several subsidiaries which established since 1930 known as Singapore Stockbroker Association in 1973. It is separate into Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange Berhad KLCE and Stock Exchange of Singapore. In 1990, Bursa Malaysia set up Malaysian Central Depository Sdn Berhad for operation of Central Depository System CDS, which is an electronic transfer security between buyer and seller. In 2004, KLCE changed its name to Bursa Malaysia. In 2009, Bursa Malaysia was announced as the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI replaced Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI is a Malaysia stock market index. What is the role of this body? It provides liquidity market for investor to get capital gain, responsible in providing the facility to trade share, provide information through the real-time information dissemination, protect all members which provide compensation. Who is the key person? This is Datuk Shirin An-Zahra binti Muhyiddin, the chairman of Bursa Malaysia. This is Datuk Muhammad Umar Swift, CEO of Bursa Malaysia. Why is it important? Since Malaysia is one of the emerging capital market among the developing countries, demands on information about the country will increase as the country grows in its importance to investors. Bursa Malaysia involved in the standard setting agenda of International Accounting Standard IAS, which is recommended by MICPA. From this diagram, the introduction of Financial Reporting Act 1997 marked a new era in the development of financial reporting in Malaysia with the establishment of the FRF and MASB. Security Commission and Bursa Malaysia are the members of Financial Reporting Foundation (FRF). Companies are required to lodge their financial statement with Bank Negara Malaysia and Security Commission, and they must prepare the financial statement in accordance with approved accounting standard issued by the MASB.